Putting his smoke on to fly the goose. He's meeting up with Enid, who's coming in from the right. So Duffy goes right through the middle of the main formation here, pitching up with 7G, red smoke. Enid goes patriotic on us as they put the red, white and blue smoke on to complete what we call the goose. So that was Duffy who went straight up through the middle there. Duffy, a former Jaguar GR3 pilot, an aircraft now out of service with the Royal Air Force, which must make him incredibly old. He's also a very experienced flying instructor on the Hawk. So the synchro pair with us once again out the left-hand side. That's our double rolls, flown between about 100 and 300 feet at 2G here. Red and blue smoke, crossing now 100 feet in front of us. What I meant was 100 feet apart in front of us, not 100 feet from us. I'd be in trouble if that's what they were doing. So we call this the infinity break. That maneuver was brand new last year, and this is now a 7G turn. That's the performance of the aeroplane. Or the Hawk can actually pull 8G, this is about 7G. As they make the second cross now, again, 100 feet from each other, about 30 metres apart. Which is about as close as your body will let you go. And as they slide that now to complete the carousel with the third and most difficult pass, see how they do. Very nice. And as they fly the roll into this left-hand turn, they need to swing out beneath the leader using lots of rudder. Now Red wants to call them to reverse battle. Now normally the even-numbered red arrows fly on the right-hand side of the formation, and the odd numbers fly on the left. But as you see them now, they're the other way round. So we have 3 and 5 on the right, 2 and 4 on the left, and we need to get them back to where they should be. So this is the clever part of the slalom. And I have to take my word for it, but to be able to do that requires complete... Adequately demonstrated now by Enid as they finish off the slalom. Now upside down in close formation as 8 and 9 barrel roll around their smoke trails. You can see why we call this the corkscrew, and I love this manoeuvre. Pablo signals that he's rolling out, and he now hands the stage to Enid, who are running in from the right-hand side. There they are, just turning in towards us now. So the inside pilots barrel roll around those on the outside, who shuffle up to fill the gap. This has got to be one of Enid's most impressive manoeuvres in the second half of the show. It's certainly one of the most difficult. And very well, they get ready to fly the amazing Jippo break. This is a good one for the cameras. Blackpool. Well, Lee's represented with the blue smoke on the left, and the reds are represented with the right. The red smoke. This is one the different pair so well. This is double roll. So the synchro pair have said goodbye, but it's not over yet. Once again, if you look out to the... ladies and gentlemen, the very British, the very patriotic Red Arrows.